it's so close. What is up, guys? We're here with Air5. Pretty sure you guys seen him in a lot of the Cord videos. They actually got a hella views. I don't know if you saw that in a while, but there's hella views on the Cord videos. We got Jake right here, guys. You already know. But right now we're filming Jake's car. He wanted the video, but he was just waiting because his brother or something put on 24s on the car. But he got nice 20s. We can check it out right now. We're grabbing some pics, grabbing some video. My camera, I thought my camera was on the charger, my mirror lift. But in the meantime, the V, I haven't updated you guys on that. The radials just took a shit today. If you guys follow us on Instagram right here, you can check that out. But right now, I'm gonna see if I can send the V. There's a little corner right here. So, we're probably gonna see if we can drift it. The Drift V's first debut. We're gonna try to, I'm gonna have AWOD record using the camera, but I'm gonna get this ready and then hopefully I don't do anything bad. Well, I'm kind of trying to get used to the car, you know, but we're learning. I'm gonna have maybe have Steven or like Thomas or someone trying to like teach me a little bit more, but I'm just kind of like going off like feeling right now. I've never actually like drifted before, but we're gonna finish this video up. Oh my god, dude, these tires are they look so weird. But we got plenty of tread left, so when the car cools down, maybe we'll try a couple more, but we're gonna finish this vid up and then get Jack to like a super sick, nice video. This is how we do things. So my motor just like kind of got hot, but you know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to park my car so we can grab rollers, but we don't turn around in these sketchy business parks, you know? We just go straight backwards. That's what a backup cam's for, right? Hey, well, rev it up, homie. Yeah. Hey, ain't no one want to hear that little dookie, but let me hear it, AWOD. Woo! Woo! So we finished the rollies, the roly-poly-olies. Think you should race? You down for it?
If he doesn't have nothing for the Hemi.
You don't think so? I mean, I'm down, bro. All right, well, I guess we're gonna race then. You know?
No, I'm just kidding.
This guy. Me and Jake just got some food to fill our tummy. Now we're gonna try the Challenger, guys. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's super slow, we're just gonna do it for fun skis. Oh, never driven the 8-speed, you know? As you can tell, this thing is ginormous. Oh, what are you doing, dude? Oh, we're going on RT mode?
Track mode.
Oh, yeah.
Danger made this train.
When they see me fly as eagles, when they see me fly as eagles, when they see me fly. I keep it G-Ho, all my young niggas out here riding for the C-No. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here gon' beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly as egos. All my young niggas out here riding for the C-No. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here gon' beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly as egos. My niggas say they can't smoke, just one roll, always riding with a free code. Smoke a lot of dope, bad bitch, straight from Creole. This money on my mind, but I love it when she my niggas in the gang, these other niggas Always catching plays, that's just how I maintain. If you really try and get it, you be on the same thing. I keep it G-ho. All my young niggas out here riding for the C-no. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here going beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly as egos. All my young niggas out here riding for the C-no. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here going beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly as egos. The way I move the dough, they would've thought that shit a kilo. The way she throwing shots, would've thought I had a reload. Bitch, I'm getting high, just because my self-esteem low. Don't ever ask me why, just know that I gotta keep. Put that purple in my cup, I'm telling Driz to mix it up. That right, your bitches hit me up, you know I'm playing in the wind. This ain't pretend, can't get enough, I just be chasing at the ends. I'm with these streets from master love a young nigga gassing up. I might never pass the love, I might not make it past the month. These niggas gunning for me, so if I get hit, just pass me up. My whole clique just acting up, and all my bitches bad as fuck. Yeah, and all my bitches keep it G-ho. All my young niggas out here riding for the C-no. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here going beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly as egos. All my young niggas out here riding for the C-no. Couple pounds coming, man, we out here going beast mode. Everybody talking, girl, you know this how the streets go. Niggas plotting on me cause they see me fly as egos.
Jake here. Well, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to having someone else drive my car. Dude. So we're gonna effing send the beast. We're gonna die. What do you say about that, Anthony?
We're gonna do heavy things.
Got A&A driving in my car.
It's so weird. we're gonna effing send it, okay?
Time to send it.
Jack Jake flicks.
Damn.
It needs like that tune to shift it faster. Those shifts are so clean. Got good brakes though.
Good brakes, you heard them. Good brakes, we're stopping good.
Are these big brake kits?
They're after. I got Duralast Gold.
Duralast Gold.
And drove a lot of rotors.
I don't know if that's a coupe though. We're driving past it.
Gotta drive past the feds.
To do, this has launch control, so we're about to just launch it and see what it is. We have it set at like 2750. So, yeah, we're gonna test that out.
Let go of the brake.
Yeah! Heavy power! Yeah, this happy. I thought this thing was going super fast. He has it in kilometers. I was like, there's no way we're going 100 right now. Okay, so we just finished driving. It's not bad, you know? This thing's comfy. I need to get, I don't know. I'm contemplating on 480 swapping my V just for the fact that it's auto, like. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got the cops. We got the cops coming.
I'll pull out like this. Got everybody.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. This thing's hard though. The Subaru. But yeah, guys, you can go follow Jake. What's your Instagram, Jake?
At Jake's Fitness Life.
Go check him out, guys. He's so buff.
Strongest kid.
He
research my name. Jacob Schellenschlager.
He does steroids. He's cheating, so he definitely does.
I'm sure I do.
But hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.